Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fabulous Store. In this video, I'm going to show you makeup products required for party, wedding, casual, college just under 200 rupees. Without skipping the video, watch till the end so you can know what products I'm recommending from starting of the makeup to ending of the makeup. So you can see before after photos like starting and before. Without doing any late, let's get into the video. Our first step is cleansing. For cleansing, I recommend Biotic Bio Papaya for all skin types. Second step is serum. So I'm using As Goodness Vitamin C Face Serum. This helps in skin brightening and fades and diminishes the dark spots and enhances skin elasticity. How to use the serum. Take 3 to 4 drops serum on your hand, apply it all over your face, massage with your hands onto the skin. So after massaging, leave the serum 2 to 3 minutes onto the skin so it absorbs into the skin. Third step is moisturizer. So I recommend Nivea Soft Brightening Moisturizers. Our fourth step is applying primer. I recommend Pore Minimizer Primer because it's oil free, contains vitamin E and helps to stay makeup 6 to 7 hours and also it also suits for all skin types. Our fifth step is applying corrector. First we see the palette. So in this palette, so you can use corrector as middle one. The orange one is for correcting. So let's see where to apply it. On your forehead, between the eyebrows, under the eye, sides of your nose, sides of your lips, under the lips. So I use only one color. If you have many colors, you can use, but I only use one color, that is orange. Blend the concealer all over your face thoroughly. It should be like this. Our sixth step is applying concealer all over your face. So, except the middle one, remaining five can be used as concealer. Next, our seventh step is applying foundation. I suggest Lakme 925 foundation because it is weightless. You should apply this all over your face, like eyes, nose, and every part on the face. After that, we need to apply compact powder to our face. I would suggest Neo Big Runway Radiance. Coming to the eyes part, I recommend this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette that is available in Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and Flipkart. This has all colors. So with this, you can do this eyeshadow. After finishing the eyeshadow, you should apply kajal. Then mascara. For mascara, I would suggest Blue Heaven Lash Twist Colored Mascara because it has the curling mascara. And for kajal, I would recommend New York based kajal. Last, lipstick. So I would recommend New York based lipstick because it gives you the matte finish and glowiness in the lips. After finishing After finishing all your makeup, you should spray makeup fixer spray. I would recommend inside makeup fixer spray. You should keep minimum 10 centimeters distance while spraying it on your face and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. It gets set into your skin. And this is all about.